Hey everybody, it's Nicole Johnson with CoVision Real Estate Group, and today's frequently asked question about mortgage notes is what do we do and what am I talking about? So I created a video about this a long time ago when we first got it started in helping people buy mortgage notes, but thought it would be great to recreate another one to help you walk you through the process. So about 5 years ago, Marcus was looking at some different types of investing for cash flow, and when we looked at buying rentals, we realized the amount of capital that we would need in order to buy rentals was too substantial. Like it would take us 10 years longer of flipping houses to generate the capital to get what we wanted or needed in enough rentals to cash flow where we wanted it to be. And we were burnt out from flipping and realized that that was just going to take too long. So right about that point is when he discovered what investing in mortgage notes was and that strategy and it's finding seller finance deals and smaller mortgage notes. These aren't your like big $300,000 Wells Fargo notes, but it's more like a $50,000 seller finance note on a piece of land in South Carolina, or a $65,000 mobile home deal out of Texas that the seller just wants to recapitalize, so they're selling their asset, which is a mortgage note. So he found this strategy and realized that by switching to buying paper versus property, that we could grow and scale our investment business substantially faster than what we could with rentals. So what would have taken us 10 years to get to that cash flow by switching to this strategy really took us and Marcus in particular about 18 months. And so we've been investing in these mortgage notes for the last 5 years and have realized that it's a great investment strategy for people who are tired of being landlords but want to be in the investment game in real estate and don't want to be on the stock market. So we put together a business model about a year ago to help people to bridge the gap. So if you're interested in buying a mortgage note, you don't have to be the mortgage note expert. You hire us to be your expert. We find the mortgage note for you. We analyze it. We put it through due diligence. We make sure it's a secure investment. We check the property report, the insurance, all of that to make sure that it's a solid investment. And then we turnkey hand it over to you or sell it to you. So you become the mortgage note holder, and then we get you set up with a loan servicing company so they service the loan for you. And so really you're set up once you start working with us, you're set up from start to finish, being a mortgage note investor without having to be that expert and having to find the deal and know how to analyze and know what to do. We come in and we help you do that. And so then you get to just cash flow from your mortgage note investment without having to be that expert. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, you're looking for a segue, a different opportunity, again, that's not a rental, but it's not in the stock market, this is actually a fabulous strategy for those people who are looking for something that's more of a hands-off long-term investment. So if this sounds appealing, I would love to share more information. There's tons more that I could give to you, and would love to share. So if this sounds interesting to you, reach out, give me a call, shoot me a DM. Love to give you more info. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.